Je m'appelle, parle-moi. Onville, je m'appelle. JAMAICA'S Gamer Reacts. Je m'appelle, Onville, you know what I mean? Yeah, big up all my French supporters. Yeah, big up you guys. Yeah. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we have here French the Kid, Daily Duppy. French the Kid, Daily Duppy Freestyle. It just dropped. So, we're going to run straight in and see what can go on. We're not wasting no time. We're not wasting nothing. Let's go. Let's go. So, we're here, guys, again. And we're ready to start. So, we're about to start. Let's go. Wait. Daily Duppy, French the Kid. Obviously, it's French that name. French. Will he be rapping in French? That is number one, because I don't understand in French. I don't understand nothing in French. That is number one. And the video will be pausing every 10 seconds. So let's go.
I love you, mommy.
The views on this video is climbing so quickly. Is this guy like quite big in the UK? Can somebody leave in the comment section and tell me? Because I've never heard of him. I've never seen him. Just tell me what going.
French. I remember the days I was out with the cats, weren't born for the trap, but I done that stuff.
Wait.
French. I remember the days I was out with the cats, weren't born for the trap, but I done that stuff.
I remember the days I was out with the cats and I done that. I remember the days. I remember the days. Okay, got that.
Out with the cats.
Oh, with the cats.
Born for the trap, but I done that stuff. Nowadays I'll be out with a partner, fade. The galley think I'm large and buff.
Nowadays I'll be out with a partner fade and the girl them think him buff and got a gym and got stuff. So the first part is you remember the days one time he used to be a trap up on the street and now him outside. Now the girl them outside, really and truly. That is what he's saying. You know what I mean? Let's go.
I guess life can get hard and tough, but you gotta break through cause the hardest does. I was out on a main called Nights in the rain with some fiends on that fairy dust.
Trapping is yo.
With them fiends with the fairy tales, I don't care, stop blind by the way that started. It's a shame where you are, but you came to the car for the crack, not chatting and parted.
What? Yo, big up the editor. Editor, you helped me out really good here. Big up yourself.
Stop blind by the way that started.
I don't care. Stop lying about the way you started. I don't care. Stop lying about the way it started. Okay.
It's a shame where you are, but you came to the car for the crack, not chatting and parted. I got engaged with a gun and a cartridge, shit blasted. I got away from the.
I got engaged with a gun and a cartridge. So when I'm gonna one and. Yo, this is gonna beat me bad. This reaction is gonna beat me bad, guys. I'm sorry about that.
Now what the fuck did I pass it? Should've glassed him and got away from the target. Now I got this one thing all in my line shit. I feel quite busy, I have to bail back later.
No, basically, it must tell you how he move up the ranks from him must trap on the street to him out and buff. Now him say him have a girl on the line. But obviously him busy, so tell her I say, yo, I'm gonna buzz about later. You don't know, I'm busy. You see it?
All that mad shit I did for my paper, I was out on the gram with some militant majors. All them rats in the street, yeah, I hate them, I couldn't rate them, they're some menacing traitors.
Woof. No fratting on the street for true, you know. No fratting on the street for true. No fratting on the street for true. And about to tell us, say, yo, listen, me hate them right now, me out and a graph for my one. Make me a work for my one like a sergeant major. Yo, bars.
I get money off streams anyway, I don't care about the days I was doing up label. Con into le best señorita, bien Constantino, fume toute la weed.
What? Brother. What?
Ou sinon j'ai une belle à latine, elle s'appelle Christine, on fume toute la rifa. I don't care about the money anymore, till my mommy's in a Porsche, une belle à la vida.
He might mix it up. It might mix up. It got confuse my brain. It got confuse me Dula Mangala. It got decomp. Let's go.
I don't care about these fame looking whores, only came to the door when I'm up, not your average. Mes frères, la famille.
Huh? I don't care about this.
Bella la vida. I don't care about these fame looking whores, only came to the door when I'm up, not your average.
I don't care about this horse just came to the door, not your average.
Mes frères, la famille, mes frères, la mafiosa. Elle veut fuck avec la team, me chasing.
Elle veut fuck up.
What? Dream to money like Sosa. Tony Montana, yeah. J'espère que tu nous connaissais. J'ai une gun dans la main pour te pardonner.
Big up all of my French viewers them. Big up all of the French people them. Big up all of the French subs them. Big up for yourself. But translate. I don't know. Translate. When I was going to school, I skive French lesson, RE lesson, geography lesson, history lesson, and German lesson. I skived one of them. We just play football. I'll run up and down that. I summit. I not got them class there.
Tu nous connaissais, j'ai une gun dans la main pour te pardonner. Mes frères, la famille, mes frères, la mafiosa. Elle veut fuck avec la team, me chasing my dream to money like Sosa.
Yo, it sound bad still, no? Even though I don't understand what I must say, him sound wicked.
Tony Montana, yeah. J'espère que tu nous connaissais, j'ai une gun dans la main pour te pardonner. J'espère que tu nous connaissais, j'ai une gun dans la main pour te pardonner. I was raised with the travelers.
I know what I'm saying a while ago. Basically, him say move on a bumble blood clot. Basically, him say move your blood clot. Me chop off your head. Basically, him say, hey boy, me run it down. No, him never say all of that. I joke, I'm say all of that. I'm saying that. He didn't say none of that. Big up yourself, Frenchy kid. Big up yourself, brother. Big up yourself, G.
Raised with the boys that didn't care about toys, they just care about guns. Got something in that transit van wrapped in plastic bags. Me and Paddy had a hold out spun.
Him say, basically brought up on the travelers estate. The travelers them are the Irish, them call them gypsy. In raised with them. So you don't know, so the travelers them known to have them van, them white van. So the man I say, yo, him have a thing in the plastic bag in the back of the van. Normally at the shotty they, you see me? A weapon of choice, the shotty.
I'm trying to do it for my bro and my mum, and when I try touching you're gonna get. I'm trying to do it for my bro and my mum, and when I try touching you're gonna get.
Real family man, I'm trying to do it for my bro and my mum. And the boy try to get clam, pushing, wing.
We don't do it for the live, I don't do that bluff. I'll be swerving in a ride that are alive, the money that we make from intruding stuff. Baby girl, we don't do like the usual does. Back out the big, like them Kurdish cars. Feeling full, it's us. I got Irish blood and some serious Irish brothers. I don't care what you think, but a scar to your face with my drink, but that's on my mother's.
Got Irish blood, I got Irish brother. So you have French blood, Irish blood, English blood. A whole heap of blood in your blood clot. Let's go.
Lovers. These boys are some cat rap lovers. Used to move crack with some local others. Now I got more tracks for them album covers. This time.
Pop. Listen to that again.
Care what you think, but a scar to your face with my drink, but that's on my mother's.
Yeah. Alright. That part I like now. That part, what I'm saying?
Lovers. These boys are some cat rap lovers. Used to move crack with some local others. Now I got more tracks for them album covers. This time.
Man, I used to move crack with some local drug dealers, some local, you know. But now I'm doing one thing. I'm one plug you now. I'm back. Yo, French kid.
Shut down pubs and we shut down bars. Still I got little cunts all in my life. Had a ball with a knife, but we stood like gods. You can't tell me about hoods in cars, cooks no books, goods in bras.
Fuck. Yo, like I said, every time I do a daily Duppy, I have to keep bigging up the editor. The editor, yo. Brother, big up yourself. The team of the editors, big up you guys self, man.
You can't tell me about hoods in cars, cooks no books, goods in bras. Mes frères, la famille, mes frères, la mafiosa. Elle veut fuck avec la team, me chasing my dream to money like Sosa.
Yo.
J'espère que tu nous connaissais, j'ai une gun dans la main pour te pardonner. J'espère que tu nous connaissais, j'ai une gun dans la main pour te pardonner. Mes frères, la famille, mes frères, la...
Does he always sing in French and does he always rap in French and English? Or him just do it with a freestyle, like obviously Indian French kid, so I suppose so.
Team, me chasing my dream to money like Sosa. Tony Montana, yeah. J'espère que tu nous connaissais, j'ai une gun dans la main pour te pardonner.
clat. Je me parle, mais. Onville, je m'appelle JAMAICA'S Game Reacts. Je m'appelle Yazmi. Onville, you know what I mean? Yeah, big up all my French supporters. Yeah, big up you guys. Yeah.
J'espère que tu nous connaissais, j'ai une gun dans la main pour te pardonner.
Alright, next song coming up now. Please don't go French again, brother. Please.
I've been riding with my brother since the day I fucking started this. Devil left him with mental issues. He's still part of this. He's part.
Bombo clat. What?
Riding with my brother since the day I fucking started this. Devil left him with mental issues. He's still part of this. He's part of me. Daddy fucking left. Mummy still believe this.
Fuck, bro.
I've been riding with my brother since the day I fucking started this. Devil left him with mental issues. He's still part of this. He's part.
I've been riding with my brother since the day he was part of this. Devil left him with a mental issue. Part of my father now. Listen to what my father said.
Daddy fucking left. Mummy still believe this. Lucifer that's running from the sunlight. When the dark proceeds, I'm fighting all these demons in my head just like my brother did.
Bombo clat. Yo, the man I tell you some deep thinking up.
No, I died before I fucking snitch. I learned that from a kid. Me, my brothers and I would be riding on these silly pricks, trying to understand why they keep coming back. We made for this so
Wait, man, guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna leave a full link to the Daily Duppy down in the description so you can watch it for yourself and do another. Well, on man, in brother. Something about him, brother.
These demons in my head just like my brother did. No, I died before I fucking snitch. I learned that from a kid.
No, I died before I snitch.
Me, my brothers and I would be riding on these silly pricks, trying to understand why they keep coming back. We made for this or favor this. I just fucked your bitch and made her pay for this.
So favor this. I just fucked your bitch, made her pay for this. Y'all, yeah, buy cocky. Y'all, yeah, buy body. Y'all, yeah, pay for dick. Y'all, yeah, pay for wood. The man not only fuck your girl in the brother, the man fuck your girl make you pay. Boom.
I don't care about no fucking label. Till they label this is that real. This jungle nutty bro, you'll get killed. Blood spilled from this Asian blade, we got that staying still.
Man say, yo, listen, me not care about no label, brother. I don't care about no label. I'm out here doing it by myself. I don't care about no label. I'm doing it by... Can I get a wow? Can I get a wow?
And every single day, bro, I've been grinding shit. Pride is hit, dancing with the devil. Fuck, I'm kinda lit. All this liquor got me thinking about the times we dipped.
Yo, my ear scratch me, my head scratch me, my back scratch me, my chest scratch me. Fuck that, brother, you're mad.
Sitting in that caravan just thinking ways to dead that prick. And shit just ain't the same, I need to fly away. The only fucking boost up in my head is jet alive today.
Bombo cloud, brother. Oh, what the first man know about that youth here? Oh, is it the first? Me know about that youth here. Oh, French kid are the first. Me listen to one of your songs, them or one of your freestyle and my G's. Sorry about that, brother.
You know the feeling when your auntie's not breathing, overdosing in your arms, and you ain't got no fucking time to pray.
You know the feeling when your auntie's not breathing, overdosing in your arm, and you have not bombo clot. The man I tell you a story, you know, brother. I have a nice story, man, tell you.
Today my cuz he's chasing up his dream until the sky turns grey. Still I was trapping at a young and musta thought I was cool until them oldest took my life away.
Bombo clot, that youth are bad, brother. Clarity, rhythm choice, flow up on the beat, versatility with that. Hold on, wait, left them there.
To watch I take their lives away. Sell me dreams, you must be mad, I'll take your life today. I'm no killer, but my mind was getting bigger and my heart was getting colder in this little fucking game I played.
Yo, that brother, yeah. Looking at him, simple kid. But this brother, yeah,
Was only 15, conversating with some fiend shit. Still I be chasing up my dream, contemplating while I'm lean. I never stack.
I need some tea. I need a cup of tea. I need a cup of tea and some toast or something. Yo.
Lots, bro was in that trap, moving crack rocks. I was bunking off school, meeting mummy next to trap spots.
I was bunking off school, meeting mummy at the trap spot. I was bunking off school, meeting.
And bro, she never had a clue, Jid, I don't wanna be like me, cause I just wanna be like you. G all started, we was young, me and my brother trying to have some fun.
Brother, this blood clot youth here, see? This youth is not this youth is a problem, bro. This youth is a problem, bro. He's talented, bro.
Knew that we was different, by age 15 I could shoot a gun. Don't trust me where I got it from, I couldn't tell. Just know that all my older brothers' friends are mostly clientele.
Man, see, at 15, my boss are going, brother. At 15, you can imagine that. Man said, don't ask me where me get it from. Just I know say all of my bigger brother them friends was clientele. Don't ask me where me get my gun from, brother.
Ask my cousin about all that nutty shit I done. Sending him pictures of all these whacks I had, yeah, I was dumb.
Sending him pictures of what? Sending him pictures of what, sir?
Ask my cousin about all that nutty shit I done. Sending him pictures of all these whacks.
Of all these whaps I've done.
I had, yeah, I was dumb. I was dumb, but also young, so they don't fucking care. But now that I think of it, moving countries answered all my prayers.
Jesus. Editor, thanks you again. Thanks to you again, bro.
France was good, but also bad, cause I was moving it. Trust me, I ain't talking about no. When I see moving shit.
Even though he wasn't in the UK, France was good, but it was bad because him still out there and move it. Like, you know, when you do certain things, when you move to a next country and you are misbehaving, the quickest thing for your parents to do is send you back to the original country where you come from and think it's gonna make it better. No, it's not gonna make it better. Half the time it's gonna make it worse.
I watch Snatch, I watch Reservoir Dogs. We were brothers in arms, cause we had weapons from COD, French.
Some historian, some epic movie, some memorable movie there that him same watch. Brother, big up your fucking self. Brother, big up your fucking self, dog. Dog, big up yourself, dog. Dog, big up yourself, brother. Big up yourself, dog. Hold on, brother. French, clarity, you got it. Talent, you got it. Versatility, you got it. Bad pan the rhythm, you got it. The G, you have everything to pass. 100% pass, bro. Pass. Yes, pass. The way how you flip from one language to a next language. Jesus. You're better than coronavirus, my G. You're better than coronavirus. The story that you tell from the life that you live, bro. It crazy, dog. It captivates you. It keep you in deep. My G, great freestyle. Love it. I love it. Even though the French line, them, me never get them, but me get majority of the rest of them. My G, the second song to me was better than the first song to me. But the whole thing put together, just... It was like a volcano waiting to erupt, brother. The calm before the storm from your walk onto the stage. Yo, me I talk too much, people. Yo, that for me, that is a pass. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time, man. Jeez, I'm crying.